Sometimes a house becomes more than just a property, it becomes a problem you need to solve. Maybe you inherited a home or are managing a probate property. Maybe the house needs expensive repairs, has difficult tenants, or has been sitting on the market without selling. You may simply need to move quickly and want a more practical option. You do not have to figure everything out alone. Silverback Home Buyers considers houses in many different situations and conditions. You can tell us about the property without cleaning it, repairing it, or preparing it for showings. If the property meets our buying criteria, our team can prepare a clear, no-obligation cash offer for you to review. You decide whether it makes sense for your situation. The first step is simple. Complete the short form to begin your cash offer review. Not ready to fill it out? Chat with our AI assistant, or call or text us anytime at 309-722-2298. Our AI receptionist can answer general questions, collect the property details, and help schedule an appointment with our team. You have options, and taking the first step does not obligate you to sell. Start your cash offer review today, or talk with the Silverback Home Buyers AI assistant to find out what comes next.